Where are we at right now, Kaylee?
We are at the
Nature Park.
Adventure Park. Nature Park.
Yep. Austin.
Yeah.
Can you tell me which way is north?
Okay. That way.
Awesome. What's Daisy doing?
She's hanging out with us.
Yeah.
Going on the nature hike with us.
I'm naturizing.
And then what?
No, but I did it.
What's your favorite spot of the park?
The tree house, probably.
What do you think, Astanio?
Bird watching.
The bird area? I like the bird area too.
Me too. I do like it. First want to see the bluebird. Hey.
Kaylee.
Yeah.
What kind of shirt is that?
It's one from my dad, and I got it for Christmas.
Awesome.